Hi guys, another day, another video. So today I'm showing you how I apply my liquid lipstick at least and they look better, they last longer, and of course my lips look well put together, they are not chapped up, and then the matte lipstick stays in place and it looks good on me. Yeah. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, you don't want to be applying lipstick with some, unexfoliated lips that are chapped up. So I'm gonna be using some olive oil. The olive oil is in this, and I'll just put a bit of it, this much, and then I'll put some sugar. You can have some exfoliator bought in the drugstore or those cosmetic shops, but the most basic one you can have at the comfort of your house is just a bit of sugar. You mix it with olive oil or some Vaseline. This is my concoction for sugar and a bit of olive oil. So I'll just apply this on my lips, and then I'll use my clean fingers maybe through the wiping. You could have gone overboard and maybe even rubbed out a bit of your makeup. But I advise that you do this before you start your makeup. And then I would obviously go in with this Revlon balm. Then if you wanted to highlight your cupid bow, this is when you do it, if you do it. So you highlight your cupid bow. I'm using a shimmery gold. Then I will just highlight my cupid bow here. I don't usually see the need of why I would maybe highlight this bit with my matte lippy, but if you love to have some bolder and fuller lips, you can go ahead and do it, but I like to do this with a bit of the shimmery parts on my cupid bow. Then I come to the part where I am applying my lipstick. I'm using this Nouba number 46. I just pull it like this. Of course, you fetch a lot of it, so you can grab a bit of it and start applying. So I usually start at this lower part of my lips as I spread outward. Then I tap my lips. Then I'll obviously start covering the other sides. If you're satisfied, like this lipstick is quite thick, you would be satisfied with one coat. if you messed up, I just go in with an earbud, a clean one. Then I'll just correct these bits if I still feel like I messed up a bit and I need to wipe off some more. But I think I'm gonna add a bit more of the lipstick. And yeah, that's basically how I apply my liquid lipsticks. It looks flawless, it is smooth, even when I do like this, and I'm sure it's gonna last for quite some hours without cracking up. My lips are moisturized, you know, they are just smooth. And yeah, that's the simplest way you can apply your matte lipstick and at least also take care of your lips, and you look good and well put together. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you all. Until next time, I will see you. Bye bye.